Hello, trading is closed on November 6, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We said yesterday's call wasn't very exciting, and turns out to have been true. We said a few things. We said if we didn't gap and promptly overtake the day's high, we should see lower prices pretty soon, but it didn't mean we closed lower. That happened. Commonest thing was a gap and fast move outside the range. Well, there wasn't a gap, but there was a fast move outside the range. Next commonest was close, little change, and big move the next day. Well, little change to me is within 4 points. We closed up 2. So we closed little change, and there should be a big move tomorrow. System didn't say too much today. Identified this drop as false, said we retrace. Here gave a buy signal, but the target printed immediately. We didn't have to go as high as we did, if you want to call this high. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Tends to be a rally day unless we drop early. We could still gap up, but it should have an early low. Typically, it features a rally with a high in the final hour. Doesn't have to be higher than the early low, but usually it is. Since the gap up Monday, we've been dropping 3 days. Clients overlapping, hasn't made any progress. We recovered over the prior lows today. Either we take this out early, starting with a gap, or I think the failure to hold on to these lows is positive, and I think we'll see higher prices tomorrow. And that is today's call.